friends, my name is Sarita and I welcome you to my channel Quest, a journey to simple life. Today we'll learn about the new job portal Scouted. Scouted is one of the amazing job portal in New York City designed for job seekers and employers. Scouted has created platform to connect the two important parts of recruitments together. Scouted uses AI-based technology to understand the candidates well with the support of its Scout team and is more efficient when it comes to hiring the entry to middle level jobs. Scouted started with the intention to help the employers get the quality candidates as per the job requirement. It has gained its presence globally and so it offers wide range of options to job seekers to apply for multiple jobs at one time. Now let's see how to register as job seeker. Get started by registering and creating an account. Once the account is created, you need to upload your resume with all the relevant information related to your profile. This will increase your chances of getting the right kind of opportunities. It reviews your profile and gives you a wide range of options through its database. It gives you option to apply for multiple jobs at one time and opens the door for job opportunities worldwide. Now let's see how to register as employers. Employers too need to register and create an account first, followed by some of the company details. The job posting is completely free at Scouted. Once the employer posts the job, it gets reviewed by the Scouted team and gets approved. Once approved, the Scouted team helps with the best possible candidates available to the employers from the database. In case the candidates get shortlisted, they also helps them to connect with the candidate online for the interview process. Scouted only charges for job posting if the candidates get hired through it. They have designed attractive pricing models according to the client budget, plus it gives 60 days money back guarantee. So in short, it has created an amazing way to connect both employers and job seekers through powerful and excellent way. During the interview process, they have made various guidance tips for the interviewers to follow so that the interview process goes smoothly. Employers do have the access to the job posting and they can anytime edit, make changes and delete the post if they want. So with these simple steps, both the employers and job seekers can register themselves and explore the opportunities. The other important features offered by Scouted are Scouted focuses more on the people building rather than just focusing on the resume. Once you upload your resume, you can consult with the scout available on their portal who guides you through the right kind of opportunities. It gives you opportunity to share your profile summary through virtual interview to the company so that you can present yourself in much better way rather than sharing just a resume. They also provide coaching opportunities through various Scouted expert professionals who will guide with all the questions related to career guidance, creating resume, preparing for the interview and mocks, etc. Generally, these services are offered for a month in which you just have 2 hours of personalized coaching access and you can decide it as per your need. These sessions are either conducted over a phone or Zoom call. They too have membership facilities available which you can opt for as it will give you access to some of their amazing facilities. So definitely it's considered to be one of the best job portal as it not only connects the employer and the job seeker but also offers amazing and unique features to get hired and trained. So don't wait, just go and register yourself and get access to huge pool of opportunities. I hope it helps you get the right opportunity soon. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon below so that it motivates me to create more and